Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, good morning. Welcome to class 5th Maths chapter number 2 Operations on Large Numbers session 15. In previous lecture we have done division of large numbers and exercise 2.4. Now in this lecture we will continue exercise 2.4 simplification, exercise 2.5 and exercise 2.6. Now question number 3, divide the following. हमें क्या करना है? डिवाइड करना है. फर्स्ट ए 6,39,429 डिवाइडेड बाय 100. क्या करना है? हमें इसको डिवाइड करना है 100 से. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. First we write dividend, that is 639,429, and write divisor, that is 100. Now as we know this is the multiple of 10 and we know the table of 100. So this is a 3-digit number, so we take here 3 digit. So in hundreds table less than 639 is 600 at 6 times, so we write here 6 and here 600. Now we have to subtract this. So 9 subtract 0 is 9, 3 subtract 0 is 3, 6 subtract 6 is 0. Next we have 4, so we write 4. Now here it is 394, so it is comes in 3 times 300. So we write 4 subtract 0 is 4, 9 subtract 0 is 9, 3 subtract 3 is 0. Next we take 2. So we write 9 times 900. Now subtracting 2 subtract 0 is 2, 4 subtract 0 is 4, 9 subtract 9 is 0. Next we take 9, so we write here 9. Now 429, it comes 4 times 400. So 9 subtract 0 is 9, 2 subtract 0 is 2, 4 subtract 4 is 0. So now we can say that it is the remainder, it is the quotient, it is the dividend and it is the divisor. Now come to B, second. In this we have 46,321 divided by 10. So as we know this is dividend and this is divisor. So dividend we write in it and divisor it here. Now divisor is 10, so all know the table of 10, it is a 2-digit number, so we take 2 digit. So in 10's table 46 is not coming, so we take smaller than 46, it is 4 times 40. Now we subtract 0 from 6, it is 6, 4 subtract 4 is 0. Next number is 3, it is 63. Now we write here 6 and it is 60. 3 subtract 0 is 3, 6 subtract 6 is 0. Next we take 2, so 32. So it is comes in 3 times 30. So we write 2 here and 0 here. Next we have 1, so we write here 1. So it comes in 2 times 20. 1 subtract 0 is 1, 2 subtract 2 is 0. So like this we have to solve this division by 100, 10 or thousands or 10,000s. So it is the quotient, it is dividend, it is remainder and it is divisor. Okay. Now question number 4. One train can accommodate 925 passengers. How many trains are required to accommodate seats for 5,84,600 passengers? तो इसमें हमें क्या बताया गया है कि एक ट्रेन जो है उसमें 925 पैसेंजर्स बैठ सकते हैं। तो टोटल पैसेंजर्स अगर हम लोग के पास 5,84,600 है तो उसके लिए कितनी ट्रेन्स चाहिए होंगी? तो इसमें क्या होगा, डिवाइड होगा। तो हम लोग का ये हो गया डिविडेंड एंड दिस इज डिवाइजर। सो लेट्स राइट 5,84,600 divided by what number? 925. So we write 925 table like this as we teach you earlier. So we have 3-digit number. So we take first 3 digit, that is 584, that is 584. But 584 is less than 925. So we take 4 digits, that is 5846. So 5846. Now check there whether it is the same number in the table. That is no. We have 5550. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So we write 6 times 5550. Now we have to subtract this. 6 subtract 0 is 6. 4 subtract 5, not possible, so we borrow. It becomes 14 and it becomes 7. So 14 subtract 5 is 9. 7 subtract 5 is 2 and 5 subtract 5 is 0. Next number we take is 0. So we write here 0. Then 2960, that is 2960. Let's check there. Here it is 2775. So 1, 2, 3. It is in 3 times, that is 2775. Now we have to subtract. So as we know it can not subtract 5, so we take borrow. This becomes 5. 10 subtract 5 is 5. 5 subtract 7 again not possible, so we borrow. It becomes 8 and it becomes 15. Now 15 subtract 7 is 8. 8 subtract 7 is 1 and 2 subtract is 0. Next we take 0. There it is 1850. So now we see that here it is 1850. It is in 2 times. So we write here 2 and here 1850. Now we subtract this. So they both are the same numbers. So we have 0, 0, 0. So our remainder is 0 and quotient is 632. Dividend is also known and divisor b. So 632 trains were required to accommodate 5,84,600 passengers. Okay, so that's how we solve the sum. Now you have to try the question number 5 and question number 8 by your own self. Okay. Now our next topic is simplification. In simplification there are 2 types of sums. First type is DMAS. In general it says DMAS. And other type is BODMAS, that is BODMAS. तो हम लोग के 2 टाइप के सम्स होते हैं सिंप्लीफिकेशन में. फर्स्ट होता है DMAS, सेकेंड होता है BODMAS. तो इन दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? फर्स्ट वाले में हम लोग को मिसिंग है. सो मिसिंग है मतलब D का फुल फॉर्म होता है डिवीजन, M का मल्टीप्लिकेशन, A फॉर एडिशन एंड S फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन. तो हम लोग को कोई भी अगर सम्स दिया हो उसमें ये सारी साइंस मतलब ये सारे सॉल्यूशंस हो तो हम लोग को फर्स्ट किससे स्टार्ट करना होता है, डिवाइड से, सेकंड मल्टीप्लाई, थर्ड वी हैव टू डू एडिशन एंड फोर्थ वी हैव टू डू सब्ट्रैक्शन. But if there are B or O, that is B for brackets and O for off. B for brackets and O for off. So first we have to do brackets off. Second, if there is written off, O and off, so we have to solve this. Then we have to come divide, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So this is the order of solving simplification. Now there are four types of brackets. There are four types of brackets. These are, first is bar bracket. So bar bracket is look like a sleeping line over the number. नंबर के ऊपर स्लीपिंग लाइन होती है उसको बोला जाता है बार ब्रैकेट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव स्मॉल ब्रैकेट्स. सो ये होती है नंबर्स के साइड में, एक लेफ्ट साइड पे होती है और एक राइट साइड पे होती है. नेक्स्ट है कर्ली ब्रैकेट्स. सेम कर्ली ब्रैकेट भी क्या होती है, साइड्स में होती है बट इसका शेप स्मॉल ब्रैकेट से अलग होता है. नेक्स्ट इज बॉक्स ब्रैकेट्स. ये भी सेम होती है, साइड में होती है पर इनका शेप अलग होता है. अब ये भी क्या है, एक टाइप का ऑर्डर है जब सॉल्व करते हैं ब्रैकेट्स को. अगर ब्रैकेट्स में सम में कोई भी ये चारों ब्रैकेट्स हो तो हम लोग को सबसे पहले सॉल्व करना होता है बार ब्रैकेट, next small bracket, next curly bracket, and in last we have to solve box brackets. So in this way we have to solve the simplification sum. Okay, now we move to exercise 2.5. question number 1, simplify. अब हमने जो सीखा सिंप्लीफाई के बारे में अभी हम लोग को उसके हिसाब से सॉल्व करने हैं सम्स. फर्स्ट वी हैव 6 plus 3 multiply 8 divide 4 plus 2. So in this we have plus, multiplication, divide and plus. So as we know the rule of DMAS, that is DMAS, rule of DMAS. So let's start from starting D. So D for division. First we have to write same question as above. 6 plus 3 multiply 8 divided by 4 plus 2. So in this we first solve D. D for division. So we have to see the divide sign. So it is between 8 and 4. So first we have to solve 8 divided by 4 and remaining signs and numbers remain same. So 6 same plus 3 same multiply same. Now 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 मतलब 8 4 की टेबल में कितनी बार में आता है, तो 8 4 की टेबल में 2 टाइम्स आता है, तो हम लोग लिखेंगे 2 and in last plus 2 is same. Next after D we have M. M for multiplication. Now in this sum here it is multiplication. So now we solve 3 multiply 2 and remaining numbers and sign remain same. So 6 as it is plus as it is. 3 multiply 2 मतलब 3 2 times. So it is 6 and plus 2 remain same. Next we have 6 plus 6 plus 2. Now both are addition and our order of solving problem is addition. So now we have to add these numbers. So 6 plus 6 plus 2 is 40. So our solution for this simplification is 40. Now move to B. In B we have 12 multiply 10 divided by 10. So in this we also use DMAS, DMAS. So in this we have two signs, divide and multiply. So first we do D, that is divide. So first we write question 12 multiply 10 divide 10. So first we do division. So 12 and multiply remain same. 10 divided by 10, that is 10 10 की टेबल में कितनी बार में आता है, तो 10 1 टाइम्स में आता है तो हम लोग क्या लिख देंगे 1 टाइम. Now we have to do multiplication. So here it is multiplication. So 12 multiply 1. As we know, it is 12. So solution of this simplification is 12. Okay. Now see I. 15 plus 32 divide 4 multiply 6 minus 25. In this sum, we have all four signs: plus, divide, multiply, and minus. So, in this also, we use rule of DMAS, that is DEMAS. Now, in this, we have to write question, that is 15 plus 32 divide 4 multiply 6 minus 25. Now in this we first have to do divide. So here it is divide 32 divided by 4. So remaining numbers and sign remain same. Now 32 divided by 4. It means 4 की टेबल में 32 कितनी बार में आता है? तो 4 की टेबल में 32 8 टाइम्स में आता है. So we write 8. Then remaining same. Okay. Next we have multiplication. What we have? Multiplication. So we write here and remaining numbers same. 8 multiply 6. So 8 multiply 6 is 48. So we write here 48 minus 25 as it is. Now we have addition. So here is the addition. 15 plus 48. So addition of 15 and 48 is 8 plus 5 is 13, 3, 1 goes to carry, and 2 and 4 is 6. So it is 63 minus 25. Now in last we have subtraction. So we have to do subtraction. As we know, 63 subtract 25. So first 3 subtract 5 is not possible, so we borrow, and 13 minus 5 is 8 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So our simplification of this sum is 38. Okay. Now in exercise 2.6 question number 1, simplify. अब इसमें क्या दिया गया है, हम लोगों को सिंप्लीफाई करना है. हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में क्या सीखा, इसके पहले वाली एक्सरसाइज में, कि हम लोग DMAS DEMAS के हिसाब से कैसे सॉल्यूशन करते हैं. अब हम लोग सीखेंगे बोर्ड मास. क्या सीखेंगे? बोर्ड मास, दैट इज BODMAS, बोर्ड मास. सो इन दिस वी हैव डिवाइड, addition and bracket. So we have 3 signs. So first we do the question repeat. So it is 20 divided by 5 plus 6 multiplied by 5 and bracket, that is bar bracket. So we have to first solve bracket. So here we have 6 multiply 5 in bracket. So we have to solve this one. So as we know, remaining numbers and sign remain same. It remains same. Now we have 6 multiply 5 in bar bracket. So 6 multiply 5 is 30. So we write here 30. Next we have brackets are done. Next we have off. So off, here it is no off. Next we have D for divide. So here we have D. So now we have to solve 20 divide 5. So इसका मतलब है 5 की टेबल में 20 कितनी बार में आता है? So कितनी बार में आता है? 4 टाइम्स में आता है. Next 4 plus 30 remain same. Next we have 4 plus 30, that is addition. There is no multiplication, so we do addition. So it is 34. So simplification of this equation is 34. Now move to B. In B we have in small bracket 18 plus 41 minus in small bracket 12 plus 8. So there is 2 small brackets. Now we have to write equation as it is 18 plus 41 minus 12 plus 8. So in this we have brackets, addition, subtraction, and here also bracket and addition. But it is the duty to solve first B for bracket. So B for bracket, that is we have to solve this and this, because these both are the same brackets, that are small brackets, so we can solve it together. Now 18 plus 41, that is 59, and subtraction as it is, and next we have 12 plus 8, it is 20, so we write 20. Now 59 subtraction 20 is 39. So this is the simplification of this sum. Okay. Now F, 25 of in big bracket 25 minus in curly bracket 3 multiply 4 plus in bar bracket 8 plus 2 closes curly bracket and box bracket. So in this we have brackets and signs all these. So our rule says first we have to solve B O D M A S. So first we solve B. In B, that is brackets, we have to first solve bar bracket. So all the remaining things remain, all the remaining numbers remain same. First we write same as it is. So first we solve 8 plus 2, 25 of 25 minus 3 multiply 4 plus, next is 8 plus 2, that is 10. So we write here 10 and remaining is same. Next we have to solve curly bracket. Next we have to solve curly bracket because there is no small bracket. Next we come curly bracket. In curly bracket we have multiply and addition both. So as compared to addition and multiplication, we have to solve first multiplication. So we write here, and remaining same 25 of 25 minus 3 multiply 4, that is 12 plus 10 and remaining same. Next we have 25 of this one, and in this curly bracket we have 12 plus 10. So we have to solve now 12 plus 10 and remaining same. So we write 25 of 25 minus, in this 12 plus 10, this is 22. So we write here 22 and curly bracket is over. Next we have big bracket, that is box bracket. In this we have 25 minus 22. So we have to do now 25 minus 22 and remaining same. 25 of and 25 minus 22 is 3. So we write here 3. Now lastly, after brackets we have to solve off. So off. Now what is off? Off means multiplication. Off means multiplication. So now 25 of 3 is 75 because off means multiplication. 25 multiply 3 is 75. Okay. Now we completed our chapter number 2, that is operations on large numbers. You have to do homework according to their exercises, and you have to do all the sums in these exercises from exercise 2.1 to exercise 2.6. You have to do all the sums as practice, and you can do examples in this chapter also. Thank you.